Hello, guys. Welcome to the Trading Ambience Weekly Market Recap and Outlook. In this update, we review how the market performed over the past week, highlighting key price actions, structural developments, and macro drivers that influence the volatility during the week. So we then shift focus to the week ahead, outlining our probability scenarios, key levels, and directional bias across some instruments grounded in multiple time frame structures and disciplined risk management. So let's dive into the chart. We are starting with Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So on the higher time frame for AUD we have this bullish impulse. We have the overall structure as a bullish continuation structure. So right at the low of this overall structure, we have a bullish impulse, bullish continuation, bullish continuation. Then right here we have a bullish impulse. Then we have a bullish continuation structure after the breakout of this overall structure. So going down to the mid time frame, we have another bullish impulse right here that broke out of this bullish continuation structure. So right here at the top, at the breakout of this bullish continuation structure, we have a mid time frame bullish continuation as well on the 1 hour chart right here. So I think we are good with this, and our entry should be placed somewhere around here, then stop loss below the continuation structure for AUD card going into the new week. So our target for AUD card will be somewhere around here for the first target, and for longer for the long term goal somewhere around this high or here on the AUD CAD. So we are moving on to the next pair, Australian dollar, US dollar. So on AUD USD, the the structures looks alike. We have a bullish impulse and overall bullish continuation structure right here. But going down a bit, at the base of the uh, higher time frame bullish continuation structure, we have a bullish impulse. But right here, we have a bullish impulse and a bearish reversal structure. Well, within this bearish reversal structure, we have this continuation structure. Although we took a trade there that took us to this high. So right now we are at the top of this continuation structure that is within this bullish impulse bearish reversal structure. So looking at this is how I'm looking at the market. At this eye looks like a double top to me right here, because we have a bullish impulse and a bearish reversal structure. This is an ascending wedge at the top of this eye. So going down a bit to the mid time frame, right here, we have this ascending wedge. Then at the top of this ascending wedge, we have a bullish impulse on the mid time frame, a bearish reversal structure. So the price broke out of this mid time frame bearish reversal structure, printed a continuation, then start dropping down. So now we have a breakout of this bearish structure right here. So I placed my entry somewhere around here and stop loss above the structure. So we are still at the entry, and I'm expecting the price to at least drop to the low of this uh, bearish structure on AUD USD. So we'll move on to the next pair, which is CHF JPY. So on the higher time frame for CHF JPY, we have a bullish impulse and a bullish continuation structure. Looking at this, so we have this bullish impulse and bullish continuation structure. Then within this structure, we have a descending wedge right here. So on the mid time frame or the lower time frame, we have a breakout of this descending wedge, and with a bullish impulse. And right here we have a continuation structure here and another continuation structure here building up. So our entry should be placed above this and the stop loss below the lower time frame continuation structure. So our target be at this high. See? So somewhere around here should be our target using this Fibonacci retracement tool to get our target here somewhere around here for CHF JPY. Moving on to the next pair, we have Euro card, Euro Canadian dollar. So on the higher time frame for Euro Canadian dollar, we have we have multiple bearish price actions here. Right here we have a bullish impulse, bullish continuation, bullish impulse, ascending wedge, bearish reversal. And right here we have a double top. Right here we have a bearish impulse, bearish continuation. Then here bearish impulse, and we are expecting another bearish continuation here. But right now we have only one high and two lows uh, at the moment. So the price is at the top of this. Is getting closer to this high. So if we go down a bit to the mid time frame, so I'm expecting to see uh, a sort of reversal here on the euro card. We have this high, we have two lows already. So I'm looking forward to see a sort of reversal right here. So to get into the market with this reversal or a continuation pattern after the structure is broken out. So our target for euro card will be at the uh, at the base of the higher time frame reversal structure, or use or make use of of our Fibonacci extension tool. If we have something like this, so we should look forward to that on Euro card. Next in line is Euro chef. We talked about this pair last weekend. We have been monitoring it for a buy trade setup, and we took a buy setup sometimes in December, and we need decent profit from Euro CHF. So on the other time frame, we have this bullish impulse. We have a descending channel, which is a reversal structure, bullish reversal structure. Then going down a bit, we have this significant low here, and I see it as a double bottom as well. And on this significant low, we have this descending wedge on the lower on the mid time frame. On the mid time frame, we have a bullish impulse right there and a bullish continuation, which we took advantage of. So we were in this trade initially. So close out somewhere around here at this top here. So now the price has broken out of this descending wedge, and on the mid time frame, we are looking at a bullish impulse and a bullish continuation structure. So we placed our entry somewhere here last week and stop loss below it. So since then, the price has been ranging and hasn't done much yet. So we are still on Euro CHF buy. We are still in the buy trade, and we are anticipating a push to this high or this high on Euro CHF. So the next in line is Euro Pound, Euro GBP. So on Euro GBP, we have this high, this significant high, and we have an ascending wedge right here. So the price is at this high now, but how did we get there? We got there with a bullish impulse and a bearish reversal structure. So right now the price has broken out of this bearish reversal structure, this broadening wedge. So we are breaking out. It has broken out, and right now I think we are in the impulsive phase. So last week we talked about a continuation pattern here after the breakout, but that continuation pattern was not clean enough. So I did not take the trade. Rather, I would rather wait for the whole structure to break out. And if I have a continuation pattern after the breakout, I will probably get into this trade with this continuation setup and right down to the low of the wedge on Euro GBP. So next in line is Euro New Zealand, Euro New Zealand dollar. So on Euro New Zealand dollar, we are keeping things simple. Last week we talked about this trade. We took a trade here that took us out at break even after 1 hour or so. So on Euro New Zealand dollar, we have multiple bearish price actions here as well. We have a bullish impulse, a bearish reversal structure right here, a bearish reversal structure. So looking at this bearish reversal structure right here, within the bearish reversal structure, we have a double top. So we have a bearish impulse out of the double top, and this bearish impulse broke the price out of the overall bearish reversal structure. So after this breakout, we have a bearish continuation structure. So right now, the continuation structure has been broken, and we are looking forward to see the price plummet to this low using our Fibonacci extension to get our target. So if going down to the low to the mid time frame on Euro New Zealand, going down to the mid time frame, you can see how the price reversed there after breaking out of this higher time frame structure. Initially, we took a trade there, placed our entry here, stop loss above here, and the price took us indeed 1 hour, then came back to take us out at break even. So right here now, the price pushed up impulsively on the mid time frame, created this high, dropped down, then going back up, it went back up a with an ascending wedge, sorry, ascending channel on the mid time frame. So going down to the lower time frame now, we have a double top there and a M cell pattern here. We have a double top here and an M cell pattern. So this is what I'm looking forward to see in the coming week. So the price broke out of this wedge with an impulse yesterday, and we printed this continuation structure. So I placed my entry right below here. The price took us in and is currently moving down. So the next pair in line is GBP AUD. We took a trade here as well last week and made a decent profit here. We made some decent profit on GBP AUD. So right now, this is what we have presently. We have this bearish impulse, bearish continuation, bearish impulse, bearish continuation, bearish impulse, bearish continuation, all on the higher time frame, on the daily time frame. So our target right here, right now is this level. So going down to the mid time frame to see what the price is actually doing there and how we got into this trade yesterday. Uh, so we have a bearish impulse out of this higher time frame continuation, bearish impulse on the mid time frame, and a bearish continuation structure. So I placed my entry right somewhere around here and stop loss above this structure. The price took me in, and we are in this trade as well. So in the coming week, I hope the price will keep dropping lower. So the next pair to check out is GPP card. We talked about it as well last week. We have been monitoring this pair uh, for a short trade. So on GBP card, we have this bullish impulse, bearish reversal structure, this ascending wedge, and within this ascending wedge, we have multiple bearish price actions: bullish impulse, bearish reversal, bullish impulse, bearish reversal. So right now, the price has broken out of this ascending wedge with a bearish impulse, and right now it looks like we are having a bearish continuation structure. So we will be targeting the low of this structure or so and right now looking at this setup on the mid time frame on the mid time frame at the moment we have a bullish impulse and what looks to me like a bullish continuation structure. So I would like to see if the market will push higher and give us a type of reversal structure right here. drop down, then print a continuation structure here. So we shall be monitoring this closely to see how the price reacts when the market opens, or if the price drops down and breaks out of this structure from this high and prints a continuation structure, then I'll get in with this structure on the mid time frame on GBP card. We have GBP CHF next, pound Swiss franc. So on pound Swiss franc, uh, we have on the for the overall structure, we have a bearish impulse and a bearish continuation structure. But right now, within this bearish continuation structure, we have this descending channel, and we have this bearish impulse and a descending wedge, a bullish reversal structure, as you can see right here. So the price has broken out of this descending wedge at the moment, and looks like we are printing a bullish continuation structure right now. Bullish impulse, bullish continuation structure. So I will monitor this closely as well to see how the price develops further. So if we have a bullish impulse, we have a bullish impulse already, and if we have this bullish continuation structure on GBP then I'll be looking forward to join this trade and ride to the top of this channel on GBP Next pair to check out is GBP New Zealand dollar, pound New Zealand dollar. So on pound New Zealand dollar, we have this high, we have that high, and we have a bullish impulse, bearish reversal structure right here. We have this ascending broadening wedge. So within this wedge, we have multiple bearish price actions, just like we said last week. So looking at this, we have a bearish impulse, bearish continuation structure at the moment. I also took a trade here last week on the mid time frame. It took me out at breaking even as well. We had this ascending wedge. The price broke out. Then I got into this trade with this structure on the lower time frame. The price took us in, did 1 hour, came back to take me out at break even. But right now we have another wedge that has been broken out. So with this wedge now, I'm looking forward to see a bearish continuation after the price has printed this bearish impulse to join the impulsive phase right down to the bound of this overall structure, or to the low of this structure on GBP New Zealand dollar. So next in line is New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. So on the higher time frame for New Zealand CAD, we have we have a bullish impulse, right? A bullish impulse and a bullish continuation structure for the overall price action. So right here we have a bullish impulse, a bullish continuation right here. The price didn't break out of this continuation for the reason best known to him. The price known to his rather. So the price dropped down with an impulse and a bullish reversal structure right here. Now we have the price has broken out of this bullish reversal structure with an impulse as well and printed a bullish continuation structure. So right now we are out of this bullish continuation structure on the higher time frame. So on the mid time frame, I'll be looking forward to see how the markets develop further with this. So I want to see a bullish continuation structure here fully developed on the mid time frame, then place my entry above above the structure, then stop loss below it if we have the continuation structure on the on GB on New Zealand card. So our target for New Zealand card, I'll be looking at this high, or the the bounds of this higher time frame continuation structure. on New Zealand CAD. So next in line we have USD JPY, the last but not the least for this week market recap and outlook. So on USD yen, we have bullish impulse and overall bearish because structure and ascending channel. But right now we are yet to hit this high, and we are yet to get to the top of this ascending channel. Right now we have a bullish impulse and a bullish continuation structure. So the price has broken out of this bullish continuation structure with an impulse, and on the daily time frame right here as well we have another bullish continuation structure. So what do we do now? We go down to the mid time frame to see what the price is doing here. So right here we have a bullish impulse, and I am anticipating a bullish continuation structure here in the coming week. So if this develops like this, I will get into this trade with this continuation structure, and hope that the price will push maybe to this high, to the high of this continuation structure, or push further to my original target here on USD JPY. So uh, that's all we have for this week market recap and outlook. As we head into the new trading week, remain patient, objective, and aligned with structures across time frames. Let price confirm your bias, manage your risk consistently, and focus on execution over outcomes. Thank you for being part of the trading ambience. And if you found this outlook valuable, engage with the content, share with your fellow traders, and stay connected for continuous market insights and structures idea. Thank you, and see you in the midweek for midweek market review. Thank you.